Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to move a created task to a list on to-do list for Microsoft Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Office 365, can be for work, school or business, and be able to use to-do list. If you're unsure of how to do that, if you look at the previous tutorials that I have created and posted to my channel, you will be able to get an idea of how to use Microsoft Office to-do list. So we can now start this tutorial. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Go to office.com, make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on to do. And now let's create a new task. Let's say upload videos. To social media. Enter. Click on this task. Right click. Move to videos. And that itself has now moved to videos. There we go. So quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.